So in this video, I'll be giving feedback on how we can promote this brand and sell its products and services. So right now, I am at a client's website. So the website name is GRC Educators, Axons Technology and Solutions. The website is grceeducators.com. So they have multiple options if I go to the website. So there's a little bit out of sync, which is, when you're creating your first image, it is very, very important to make sure that the impression is quite well. So find your course. So it is out of sync. I think a designer can fix it, quickly. So what they are offering: live webinar, on-demand webinar, bundle courses, CPE courses. So primarily, it's they provide seminar and webinars primarily on specific topics. The main focus is right now on live webinars, in-person webinars, and recorded webinars, and they conduct over 100 training programs per month. The main focus is on compliance training. So they give different trainings for professionals to help them with compliance, right? So this is what I can understand. So what kind of content that they create: HR compliance, quality management, risk management, corporate governance, OSHA compliance, EHS compliance. So they have huge amount of content that they have already created. Primarily, they are focusing in creating live content or live webinars. But the biggest problem right now, what I see, that they are looking to transition to D2C or B2C, that is direct to consumer, or direct or business to consumer. They want to sell their courses online. So in this situation, it is very, very essential. There are 2-3 aspects that they need to work right now. So first thing is they have to completely focus on and create content for their social media, primarily YouTube, where people are searching for specific terms, that is risk management, corporate governance, OSHA compliance training, HR compliance training, quality management training, FDA, food and dietary supplements training, hospital management training. So they have to focus on these keywords, and the content has to be created. It can be shorts, it can be small videos that is focused on specific topics that people are searching for, and then they can put it online. So they can also provide free training. Then that free training can be used to drive traffic to their website, and through their website they can get them registered for their free webinar. They can have evergreen webinar or automated webinar using Webinar Jam, and then they can sell their courses. Because if I go to their website and if I go to the home page, what I can see here is, if someone is looking to buy the webinar, it is $160, which is not at all a very small amount. Even if the client is based in US or in India, $160 or anything above $100, people will spend a little bit of time to understand the brand and the speaker, and they need to trust the brand and the speaker and understand that whatever that they are spending, they are going to get more value out of it. So convincing someone or convincing a user and selling them anything more than $100 takes a lot of effort. But if you are selling for $25, $30, then someone who is looking to buy it, they will not think that much. But when they are looking to purchase something which is above $100, they will think twice, thrice, and they need to understand whether they can trust the brand from whom they are purchasing, or the speaker or the author or the person who is going to train them is competent enough. So online, when you are selling B2C, it is very, very important to build the brand, the trust of the brand, the brand through which you are selling, and also the authority of the person who is training, who is speaking or giving the training. So in this situation, if I go to the website, what I can see here is they do not have any presence or any link to YouTube channel. So we need to work on the YouTube channel as well. Then we need to start focusing, or select one topic. It can be medical devices, pharmaceutical. Regularly we require OSHA compliance, EHS compliance. So what we can do here is, whatever webinar that they have conducted, we can take those topics from the OSHA compliance training or EHS compliance training, and we can split those videos and put it online. So we can target OSHA compliance online training, right? Short, or maybe company training, OSHA compliance training for small companies, OSHA compliance training for individuals, something like that for managers. And then we can put the content online on YouTube, where people who are searching for OSHA compliance training, they will be able to discover the brand. And then we can have a call to action and tell them that, okay, come to our website, we have a free webinar for you, or we have a complete dedicated section or a lot of content which can be useful for your own personal training and also for your company training as well. So in this situation, that is number one. That the first thing that we need to do here is, we need to focus on a specific type of training that we are providing. We have to select a specific keyword. Then what we need to do here is, we need to develop a strategy where we are going to use existing content that we have, put it online on YouTube and distribute it throughout social media, because this company has a presence on Facebook, Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, especially LinkedIn, because we are selling compliance training. So we have to focus on YouTube and and LinkedIn, and Twitter can be used here as well. Pinterest doesn't really play much of a role here because our target audience is not on Pinterest. So this is what we can do, and this is one thing. And we have to also work on the blog section as well. So let me see whether the company has a blog. It should have a blog. They do not have a blog, which is very sad, because through blog they can target specific keywords which will help them rank on YouTube, on Google as well. So this is how our primary target will be right now, to create or repurpose the content that we have and put it on YouTube, develop the YouTube channel, and through that build an audience, get the traffic to our website, and so the conversion ratio will be much higher. And also we can also do some automated webinars which can definitely help convert and generate sales on an immediate basis. So this is one thing which we can do. And also we can identify compliance training or keywords which are based, for example, OSHA compliance training, EHS compliance training for individuals, for managers, something like that. We can use those phrases and keywords to create content, or blog content or text content. We can put it on the website, and through that we can sell it. So the best example, if we see, is Tutorials Point. Tutorials Point, they are doing the same thing altogether. If you go to their website, they have, if we check their blog, so they have huge amount of content, and they drive near about million, I think 6 or 7 million visitors every single month using text content and video content. And through that they get people on board, then they start selling their courses. So they primarily focus on IT networking courses, office productivity, marketing, lifestyle, business. So they have a lot of courses, but they drive traffic using content. They put it on YouTube and text content, through which they are able to rank well on Google SEO. So this is my feedback, and this is how I think it's much easier to for this company to drive traffic, build an audience, and kickstart its B2C or D2C business. Thank you.